Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Owl, and happy SheetLoad of Cards Day. I hope you'll stick around to see the new June 2025 printable and find out what makes it extra special. See the first set I made and find out how you can download it for free. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope that by the end of this video, you'll be inspired to click on that subscribe button below and ring the bell for notifications. If you're already a subscriber and regular viewer, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here again. Each month here on my channel, I share a brand new SheetLoad of Cards printable. Each month, the PDF gives a new sketch, supply list, and cutting guides to make the most of your products and yield a SheetLoad of cards. This is usually anywhere between 6 and 12, depending on the sketch, paper size, etc. Now this month is a little different as far as those numbers and a little extra special, which I'll tell you about here shortly. Today I will be debuting the new June 2025 SheetLoad of Cards and telling you at the end of the video how you can download it for free if you're a subscriber to my channel. Tomorrow I will be back with the process video where I'll show you how I made my first set and give you a few tips along the way. Also tomorrow, my creative team will be joining me in sharing their first sets. I know you're not going to want to miss that. So make sure to check out the creative team member link list down in that description box and make sure you're subscribed to everybody so you're all ready for tomorrow. Let's go ahead and take a look at the June 2025 SheetLoad of Cards. This new printable is going to show you how to make 4 5x7 cards using just 4 pieces of 6x6 pattern paper and some cardstock. At the top, you will see a couple ways that makes this extra special, it being an A7 using 6x6 pattern paper, but this layout is also inspired by one of my good crafty friends, Tobey of the Bitty Penny YouTube channel. She has been a creative team member and subscriber and member of my channel for quite a while, and this edition has an even more special story behind it. So Tobey originally found me and SheetLoad of Cards through Craft Roulette, which is a weekly game show, weekly crafty game show here on YouTube, which make sure to check out their channel. I'll have it linked below. If you know Bitty Penny, you know she loves a 5x7 card. And about every 10 editions since the 50th edition that I shared here on YouTube, I have been doing a 5x7 sketch. Well, she mentioned a while ago that she had a sketch for the next time I did a 5x7, and you guys, this is the 70th SheetLoad I have shared here on YouTube. Can you believe it? Well, I was going to reach out to her, but she got to me first with a great idea. Since we will be meeting in person for the first time this summer at Paperganza, which is a crafty retreat being put on in Kansas City by Craft Roulette, we thought we would do a little celebration. So in June, I am sharing her sketch as a 5x7 card, and next month in July, which is the month that we get to meet up, I will be converting this to an A2 card size. So even if you're not a huge fan of 5x7s, first of all, I do hope that you will give it a chance, but you can come back next month and see how you can turn this into an A2 card. I'm super excited that Tobey and I are teaming up for the next couple months of SheetLoad, and I cannot wait to meet her and so many more of you in July at the special event. Now, at the time of this recording, there are still, I believe, 2 seats left to Paperganza, so I will link that website again down in that description box below in case you want to find out more information. It is going to be a fun with 2 ends and crafty time. Now that you know what makes this month special, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the printable. You always have that sketch, which if you print this at 100%, this is actual size, so you can audition sentiments, images, etc. up against this to see how they'll look on the final card. As always, if you don't want to make a full sheet load, maybe you just want to give this a test or use up some scraps, I have the single piece dimensions listed right here, and then more toward the bottom, some alternative ideas or ways to make this sketch your own. As always, I say that sheet load is a great jumping off point. On page 2 of the printable, I show you how to cut all of your pattern papers and cardstocks, and again, I'll be back tomorrow so you can see that in action. And as always, at the top of the printable are a couple hashtags that if you share online, please use those and tag me where you can, because I always love to see what you're creating. Now, if you don't share online like on YouTube or Instagram to use those hashtags, you can always show us your sheet load in the Facebook group, or you can send in a card for the end of the month video. I do have a video linked in that description box that gives you more details on how to show us your sheet load. So I hope you'll check that out if you're interested. Now let's take a look at the main products that you'll see me use in tomorrow's process video. For my first set of cards using the June 2025 sheet load, I am using products from the new Lovin Gnomes quarterly release from Not Too Shabby. Now, I have been using this quite a bit lately, and it is because I absolutely love the color palette and the fun gnome ephemera. Now, some of these products are still available, so I will have affiliate links down in that description box below if you want to check them out. For my 4 papers, I chose these pieces from the Peachy Mint Bliss paper pad. Now, these are double-sided, so I could use like this pair together, or I could use the front and back of each of these pieces for the different pieces on the card fronts. I haven't yet decided, but during that process video, you will see the choice that I make. For my focal points and sentiment, I will be using Lovin Gnomes ephemera. Are these not the cutest? And the Sip, Relax, Enjoy stamp set. For my card bases and sentiment piece, I will be using white cardstock, and for some matting and stamping my sentiment, I will be using Spearmint ink and cardstock from Tailored Expressions. Now, in tomorrow's video, I will tell you about other products and tools that I use, but again, this is a look at those main supplies. Now, before I share my first set of cards with you, I did want to take a couple minutes and recognize some extra special channel members. In May, I had some members reach special milestones. Celebrating 2 years of membership are the following: Jenny Binion, Carol Nicholson, Ellen Speranzo, Dottie McDevitt, Andrea Dulaney, Stephanie Poteet, Debbie Wickland, Judy Damewood, Ray Wolf, Amanda C., Mary Kalaji, Anne Marie Barquette, and Jane Pruitt. Celebrating 3 years of membership is Lily Bell, Lisa Meach Barton, Megan Peacock, D.G. Stamper, Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, Cool Stuff with Chris, Meredith Kluber, and Janie Westcott. Celebrating 4 years of membership is Karen's Crafting Company, Debbie in LA, Jane Smith, Kimberly Park, Audrey E., Caroline King, Susan M., Kathy Nelson, Melissa Wims, Rita Jackson, Kathy Slack, Tobey Free at Last, and Lori L. Beck. Thank you so much to each of you for your continued support. It is appreciated more than you'll ever know. Now, if you're not yet a channel member and you would like to find out more about the perks, you can click on the join button below this video or the link in the description box. Starting at just $1.99 a month, you get access to probably the most popular perk, and that is the SheetLoad Visual Archive, which has thumbnails and direct download links for all SheetLoad of Cards editions, including the current ones that all subscribers can get to from the past 2 years, and the editions that are in the vault, which right now is almost 50 additional printables. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out. My email address is at the bottom of the description box below. Now let's go ahead and take a look at my cards using the June 2025 SheetLoad of Cards printable. I hope you enjoyed getting a look at my first set of cards using the June 2025 SheetLoad printable. If you did, as always, a thumbs up is appreciated. Now let me tell you how you can download the free printable. If you would like to make your own SheetLoad of 5x7 cards, as always, I do ask that you're subscribed to my channel before you click on the download link, which I'll tell you where that's at here in just a minute. Subscribing is free, quick, and easy. Just click on that button below this video, and while you're there, why don't you go ahead and ring that bell for all notifications. This edition will be free to all subscribers for 2 years, and then after that it will be available to members or when we do a SheetLoad rewind. You're going to find the link for the June 2025 SheetLoad of Cards down in that description box below, right below my P.O. Box address. Below the link, it will say to watch the video for a password, but you watching this far is your password. You can download it to your device and then print it like I have, or you can download it to your device and just use it on screen. Until tomorrow, when I will be back to show you how I made these cards, and my creative team will be joining me to share their sets for the month, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.